3, 2, 1.
Which component of a computer stores data permanently? The answer is B, hard drive. Which board game features a cat and mouse chase? The answer is D, mouse trap. What can you catch but not throw? What can you hit but not break? The answer is C, echo. What type of particles can a beta particle be? The answer is A, electron or positron. The heme parts of a hemoglobin molecule bind with what element? The answer is B, oxygen. Which language uses the Roman-Irsi script? The answer is A, Polish. A research scientist writes a paper on the initial regrowth of a forest after a fire has damaged the entire ecosystem. Which title would be best for the paper? The answer is D, secondary succession. In what country is a cake called Pink Panther very popular? The answer is D, Spain. The Adirondack State Park at 780,000 acres is roughly equal in area to which of the following? The answer is D, Rhode Island. Scrabble, an amusing family game created by architect Alfred Mosher Butts in 1938, is what type of game? The answer is D, word game. Which of the following is not a synonym of the word reticent? The answer is A. These are all synonyms of the word reticent. What element is all life built around? The answer is B, carbon. What is this spell used for? Dear Father, Tsar fire, be gentle and kind to me. Burn away all my aches, pains, tears, worries. The answer is A, happiness. Which of these gestures is commonly used when greeting in Thailand? The answer is B, Y. If a golden era of American filmmaking existed, when would it have been, judging by the top 10 list of the American Film Institute? The answer is A, 1930-1945. What cooks your food in the oven? The answer is A, oven. Restriction enzymes or restriction endonucleases are prokaryotic enzymes that recognize and cut what at specific sequences. The answer is A, DNA. In which of these movies does Jennifer Aniston's character fall in love with her gay best friend? The answer is D, the object of my affection. In Homer the Great, an episode from the 6th season of The Simpsons, Homer joins an ancient secret society called what? The answer is A, the Stonecutters. Which of these players was not among the starting five in the North Carolina State University '83 basketball championship team? The answer is C. Anthony Grundy. What is the result of 8 divided by 2? The answer is B. 5. What town did they take Ben Wade to catch the 3:10 train in the Western movie 3:10 to Yuma? The answer is B. Contention. Who broke the record for the largest bubblegum bubble? The answer is A. Andy Paul. What song is unlocked after beating Tom Morello in a guitar battle in the video game Guitar Hero Roman 3? The answer is B. Bulls on Parade. Which Hungarian soccer player was known throughout his career as the Galloping Major and later with Real Madrid as Little Cannon? The answer is C. Ferenc Puskás. What is the Holy Cup of Christ called? The answer is C. Holy Grail. The neck of the uterus, called the cervix, opens into what? The answer is A. Vagina. Billy Wilder co-wrote over a dozen films with Charles Brackett. Which of these was their last writing collaboration? The answer is A. Sunset Boulevard. Which disease causes the bends? The answer is C. Decompression sickness. Sand is a type of soil that is made of very tiny pieces of material. Which process most likely forms sand? The answer is D. The weathering of rocks. Which of these internationally famous festivals takes place in August? The answer is C. The Edinburgh Festival. The Earth takes approximately how many minutes to rotate once on its axis? The answer is D. 24. Which actor, featured in It's a Wonderful Life 1946, appeared in the most top 100 American films? The answer is A. Ward Bond. Which Chevy Chase movie was released first? The answer is D. Caddyshack. Which Greek goddess is known as the Queen of the Gods? The answer is C. Hera. What wears a crown but doesn't rule? The answer is A. Toilet paper roll. The creator of this television western envisioned James Bond on horseback. In what television western would you find the characters James West and Artemis Gordon? The answer is A. The Wild Wild West. Water is bubbling. What characteristic is it likely to have? The answer is A. Intense heat. What is the smallest positive integer not divisible by 3 or 5? The answer is A. 8. What is the main ingredient in queso dip? The answer is B. Cheese. What character, often called a crazy fool, must the A-Team routinely break out of a mental hospital in the A-Team series? The answer is D. Murdoch. Normally, only traces of protein are found in urine, and when higher amounts are found, damage to what is the likely cause? The answer is D. Glomeruli. What is the state of potassium at room temperature? The answer is A. Solid. In what novel does Sherlock Holmes first appear? The answer is B. A Study in Scarlet. Who is the villain's evil henchwoman in The Spy Who Loved Me, who chases James Bond in a helicopter? The answer is A. Naomi. Which of these cities does not have a United States minting location? The answer is D. St. Louis, Mo. What equipment does a baseball player use to catch a pitch? The answer is A. Glove. What is the name of the Greek river where the dead cross to reach the underworld? The answer is C. Akron. Which organ in humans is not paired? The answer is D. Adrenal glands. Which team won in the second season of The Amazing Race?